Manugunda Yaralaha Chuluru Luar Friendaru Garifuna. In today's episode, we're going to be discussing the 5 W's in Garifuna. The who, the what, the when, the where, the why, and the how. Wait, is that 6? Oh yeah, the 6 W's. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Starting with who, we have 3 ways we can express who. Kaba, and Katei. And those examples are brought to us by none other than Dr. Gwen Eunice Gonzalez. The example, Katei Brian Lugoshu. Who is Brian to his mother? And another example of using Kaba as who is in the Ande Palacio song, Amnieg. In the chorus, he asks, Kaba Funasa, who is going to? Kaba Funasa, Ayanuha Garifuna Numa Amuyek. A big thank you to Dr. Gwen Eunice Gonzalez. Next up, what? What in Garifuna is Katei, Katei. What is this? We have Katei-san. Katei-san would be the Garifuna version of WTF. Next up, we have where. Where can refer to a person. When you're referring to a male, you say Hagei. So it would be Hagei's Charles or Hagei's Brian. When you're referring to a woman, you would say Hagou. So it would be Hagou's Judith or Hagou's Marianne Jones. And that means where is Judith and where is Marianne Jones. Now when referring to a group of people, asking where a group of people are, in Garifuna we say Hagaya. And remember, whenever you see the N with the tilde, it's pronounced as a Y. Hagaya. Where are they? And as a group, our response would be Ayaha. So it would be Hagaya, Ayaha. Where can refer to a place. Halia Badid, where are you going? Halia sa hello, where is the chair? Next up we have why. Why in Garifuna is Kawagu Badugu Belira. Why did you do that? Kawagu Midi ba la escuela. Why didn't you go to school? Next up we have how. How in Garifuna is Ida. For example, Ida Biangi. How are you? We also have Ida Lia Berengu from one of my past episodes, which means, how do you say? Ida Lia Berengu. And finally, we have when. When in Garifuna is Idame. And as a Brata, as we would say in Belize, or a bonus, how many in Garifuna is Atiri. Hey, thank you guys for sticking this one out. It was quite a bit. Just wanted to bring more examples to life where we're using it in our regular conversations. Appreciate you guys investing your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Sereme. Ayo.